0 work done. So when will be the work done 0? Okay, na? 0 work done by a force. So we know that force is equal to what? Actually small work done is F bar dot ds bar. So when work done will be 0? When work done will be 0, whenever force is 0 or displacement 0 or cos theta also 0. So work done 0 means what I can write down? FL is 0. When no force is acting, work done is 0. So then there is no need to discuss. Okay, na? And when displacement is 0, if a particle is or object is not moving, then also work done is 0. If it is not moving, then no need to discuss about the work done. Cos theta is 0. If cos theta is 0, then work done is 0. Cos theta 0 means what the theta value should be? Theta value should be 90. Theta value is 90 is nothing but force acts perpendicular to displacement. Whenever force is acting perpendicular to displacement, then automatically work done is 0, and vice versa. Force should be perpendicular to displacement. Perfect. Okay, whenever force is perpendicular to displacement, so then automatically what will happen? Work done will goes to 0. Okay, and vice versa also. Not only this, you can see here one important thing. Work done is 0. That implies force is perpendicular to displacement. This is perpendicular symbol. Force is perpendicular ds bar, means any small displacement it is perpendicular, means total displacement it is perpendicular. And reverse also is happening. If force is perpendicular to displacement, automatically work done is 0. So both are valid. Vice versa is valid. Okay, let us see some cases of work done. Yeah, these are the 0 work done cases. I think yesterday we have done. See, one person is having the shopping bag with his hand. Then how he is applying the force? Upward, and he will move along the forward direction. As he is moving forward direction, what is the angle between the force and displacement? This is the displacement. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, 90 at an angle 90. Then what is the work done by the force applied by man is, what we can write down, is 0. See, you have to say that work done by which force is 0. Always don't say that work done is 0. Don't use the term work done. Always you have to use the term like work done by some force, work done by gravity, work done by, see I wrote work done by force applied by man. I didn't write work done is 0. Okay, na? So that is a very much clear, you should have that clarity. Okay, na? Otherwise it will be a problem in questions, doing the questions. Okay, so somebody is having the parcel box in his hands. So then see, person will apply the force applied by person. See, once there are two forces. One is force applied by person, other one is gravity. If you want, you can write down here something like this. This is the force applied by person and this is gravity. Both the directions are there. Now he is moving forward. Then what is the displacement? Displacement of the parcel is, as he is moving forward. If he is moving forward, what is the displacement of the parcel? Will be horizontal. He is moving like this. So the force applied by person is perpendicular to displacement. What is that? Mg also perpendicular to displacement. So here I can write down work done by applied force. See, I am writing the force. I am not writing simply work done. Work done by applied force by man is how much? 0. Even not only that, we can write down work done by gravity. Work done by gravity is nothing but gravitational force or weight. Work done by weight also you can write down. So most of the times they don't call it as work done by weight, they call it as work done by gravity. So work done by gravity is also 0. Work done by applied force by man is 0. Even work done by gravity also 0. I am not saying that work done by man is 0. Are you getting my point? I am not saying that work done by man is 0. I am saying that work done by applied force by man. Whatever be the force applied by the man, so that force will do the 0 work. I am not saying that this person is not doing the work. When if force is perpendicular displacement, whether force is constant or variable, work done is 0. Yeah, let us go with the other part. Now this very hard working person is he try to push the wall. He is pushing the wall, but wall is at the same place. Then in this case, what is the displacement of the wall? Displacement of the wall is 0. Displacement of wall is 0, let us say. So he is not strong enough to break the wall. Okay, na? He is not strong enough to break the wall. So he is pushing, but his wall is not moving. So displacement is 0. At the same time, he is applying some force on the wall. Force is there, but displacement is 0. Under this condition also, work done is 0. When a particle is going in a circular path, all of you know circular path? Circular motion, you know, no? Circular motion, centripetal force, very good, nice. So as a particle is moving in a circular path, something like this. Okay, so how the centripetal force will act? This is the centripetal force. Okay, na? That is the centripetal force. What is the displacement? Displacement, whenever curved path is there, the displacement will be tangent. So this is the small displacement, ds vector. This is the circular motion, one particle is moving. So then how to identify the displacement? So displacement of any curved path will be along the tangential direction. Remember, displacement direction, even velocity also along tangent. Velocity direction also along the tangent. If displacement direction is along the tangent, velocity also will be along the tangent. Centripetal force will act in this way. Fc means centripetal force. Displacement is along the tangent, something like this. This is the displacement. Like that, if you are taking some other point, centripetal force will act always towards the center. Then what is the displacement for this? The displacement will be ds vector, something like this. This is the ds vector, ds bar and centripetal force. Understood? Huh? And this is the centripetal force again, centripetal force, and this is ds vector, ds bar. So like that, everywhere how the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. At each and every point, centripetal force is always perpendicular to displacement. At every instant, I am writing like this. Every instant, what is the meaning of instant? It means at every place, at every point of the circular path, okay? At every instant, centripetal force is always perpendicular to displacement. So what is the next statement I can write down? So that implies work done by centripetal force is always 0, because centripetal force act along towards the center. Okay, displacement will be along the tangential direction at every instant. So then force and displacement both will be perpendicular to each other. That's why work done by centripetal force is always 0. Okay, na? So this is the one point you need to understand, because this is the idea to solve the questions. Okay, so you don't find these things in the textbook. These things will be there in the textbook. There is no problem.